Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Holy cow, I'm excited. Check this out. Is this glossy box not like amazingly pretty? This is the August birthday edition box. I was super excited to see the box. I always keep the glossy boxes that are like the really pretty ones, just to put stuff in. So I was like, I like boxes. So, there was actually a card in this one for a $100 wine voucher. I don't know. I really don't use these too much. Um, I I actually got Glossybox for $58 for 3 months, but then they gave me a discount. I had some Glossybox, so I only paid 26 for 3 months because I was kind of like on the fence with Glossybox. And then I canceled again for the next 3 months, but I might grab them back. I'm not sure. Um, like I said, I go back and forth on Glossybox. Sometimes I get just loaded up on products. Look how pretty the box is. It's got the white ribbon. I can't wait to open this one. What have we got in here? Oh, we get a full-size product. Okay. This is one reason I really love Glossybox. Check this out. This is the True Soft Hair Mask. And this is by, who is this one by? Maria Nilla, and it's a $30 value. I love a good hair mask. And let me see what this one is like. Oh, oh wow, this is thick. Let me see. This is a floral. Check that out. But I will definitely use this. It's a softening mask. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, softening argan oil, sulfate paraben-free, color guard, produced in Sweden. Okay, this is a definite yes. I love hair masks. So I'm excited about that. Next up, from Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. Now, Glossybox, they must have a partnership with them because there is a lot of this Model Co. products. This is a red lip liner, except mine doesn't look red. Mine looks pink. This is kind of funny. I'm actually glad because I don't like true red lip liners. Um, this is the crazy thing though. This is valued at, oh, it's pretty though. Look at how pretty that is. This is a gorgeous lip liner. I'm assuming, is everything in here kind of like Pinky Birthday Party? No. Um, I love a good lip liner. This one is gorgeous. I will absolutely use this. However, the value is $29. I can't imagine ever like walking into a store and paying $29 for a lip liner. This is why the boxes are so good, because if you like getting like a lot of lip liners and mascara and stuff, you're going to get a much better deal in the boxes. You might not always get like the color you want, but for the most part, I feel like they have like more neutral colors. Um, Next up, ooh, this is pretty. From Lauren Beauty. Look at this. Holy cow. This is a $20 value. It's called Bright Lights Nail Polish. There's a reason I'm wearing yellow nail polish, by the way, and you're going to find out tomorrow. I'm doing a really cool collab video. But look at this. Oh my gosh, that's like gold. How pretty is this? This is awesome. Okay, I'm super excited about this nail polish. That's awesome. Okay. Next up from Emma Hardy, we got a Morning Light. Is this the cleansing gel or is this the cleansing gel? No, this is the cleansing gel. Morning Light Cleansing Gel. I always get confused on the Glossybox like page because nothing like matches correctly. This is a lightweight cleanser. Full size price is going to be $44. This is a pretty high end cleanser, but we get like the sample here. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know if I can kind of squeeze that up a little bit. There we go. It's like a what does this have in it? Vitamin E, suitable for all skin. It's a pink detox. What is this? Okay. For those that love the pink detox mask from June, I'm like, I'm so confused. I don't remember that one. But anyway, it's a cool product. So next we got from True Glow. It's an ultimate lightening stick. No, it's a True Glow. botched that one. It's from UB Cosmetics. It's a True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick. Okay, I got that right now. Ooh, this is pretty. This reminds me of like a Milk Cosmetics. Can't see here. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Okay, now you can see it. Okay. Let's see what this looks like on. This one's pretty light. I like this one because sometimes you can look too glowy. This is actually a really nice one. It is a $20 value, vegetarian, cruelty free. So we got that. So overall, I'm really happy with this box, and I'm also happy with the silver confetti in it. So we got the highlighter stick, we got the gorgeous pink lip liner, the glittery nail polish, the cleansing gel, and the hair mask, which makes it worth it right there because this is a what was this again? This is a $30 value. So I'm really happy with this month's Glossybox. This is definitely a good box. Like I said, I kind of canceled for now. I might not get it in September, but I'm kind of thinking I might do a 3-month run in October, November, and December because I really like to get their, kind of holiday boxes. So I'm kind of excited about that. So there you go. Glossybox for August 2019, the birthday edition. That was fun. I'm burning sugared snickerdoodle right now. I'm going to have that video for you. And then I'm doing a fun collab with another vlogger tomorrow that has to do with yellow. So you guys will see that one tomorrow. So anyway, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.